Hello viewers, I am Kausalya. Today we are going to solve example 15 in chapter 4 quadratic equations. The problem is a motor boat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. So here we have a motor boat and the speed of the motor boat is 18 km per hour in still water. So still water is nothing but a stagnant water. Okay, just like a water in a pond. So here you see the speed in still water is 18 km per hour and the motor takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream. Okay, this boat takes 1 hour more to go to upstream and than to return downstream to the same spot. That is, it takes 1 hour more when compared to traveling to the downstream. Okay, it takes 1 hour more when it travels to the upstream when compared to the downstream. So here we need to find the speed of the stream. So first let me explain what is meant by upstream and downstream. So here upstream, you just think just like a slope. Okay, upstream is we are moving upwards and downstream is we are moving downwards. Okay, just like a slope, imagine. So if you climb a slope, climbing a slope will take time. Yes or no? Yes. But when you come down by slope, it will be very easy. Okay, think in the same manner. So the boat, when it moves upstream, it takes 1 hour more than to travel the downstream. For example, if the speed of the motor is some 10 km per hour, the time taken to reach from this point to this point here is, let it be some 10 minutes. So here again moving from this point to this point takes only 9 minutes. Am I making the problem clear? So this is the thing. Now we are asked to find the speed of the stream. So first let x be the speed of the stream because we don't know what it is. So let it be x. So speed of the boat in still water is given by 18 km per hour. Then speed of the boat upstream. So in still water, that is here the speed of the stagnant water is taken as reference because this is the known value here. So speed of the boat upstream is, the speed will get decreased, right, when you move upwards. You see here it is plane. Okay, just assume here it is a plane surface, you are moving fastly. But when you are about to climb a slope, what happens? Automatically your speed will get reduced. So in the same way, the speed of the boat upstream is reduced because its normal speed is 18 km per hour. But when it moves, okay, when it is about to climb an upstream, then the speed gets reduced. So the speed in standstill water is 18 km per hour. But the same speed get reduced when the boat moves upstream. So here it is 18 minus x. Now speed of the boat downstream. So here speed of the boat downstream is, you see, when it comes down automatically, when it moves from this point to this point, automatically speed will get increased, right, because it is downstream. So here it is 18 plus x. Now what is the total distance? The total distance is 24 km. It is given in the problem. You see, it has to go 24 km upstream. So the total distance is 24 km. So what is speed? Speed is nothing but distance traveled by time taken. So just I am rewriting what is time taken. Time taken is nothing but distance traveled by speed. Okay, this is the time taken. So now time taken by the boat in upstream. So here the distance traveled is 24 and time taken is, it is 18 minus x. Okay, just now we have written this. And time taken by the boat in downstream is, it is 24 by 18 plus x. So now the key thing is it takes 1 hour more, right? That is the key statement here. You see, it is given in the problem now. You see, in still water, it takes 1 hour more to go 24 kilometer upstream. So, the difference in time to travel between upstream and downstream is 1. That is, the difference between these two things is 1. So, here, now we are going to substitute the values. So, time taken by the boat in downstream, okay, that is in upstream, the difference between these two, it remains 1. So, 24 by 18 minus x minus 24 by 18 plus x is equal to 1. So, here the difference value is equal to 1. Now, we are going to solve this quadratic equation and we are going to find the value of this x. So, here in these two terms, 24 is common. So, just take it outside. So, the remaining terms will be 1 by 18 minus x minus 1 by 18 plus x. So, here when you take LCM, it is 18 plus x minus 18 minus x divided by these two terms, 18 minus x into 18 plus x. So, here when simplifying, you see 18 plus x, this minus sign when it is moved inside the bracket, it is minus 18 plus x the whole divided by, this is of the form a minus b and this is of the form a plus b. So here it is 18 square minus x square, so which is equal to 1. So this plus 18 and minus 18 get cancelled and here we have 24 into 2x by 18 square minus x square which is equal to 1. So 24 into 2x is 48x which is equal to 18 square minus x square. So here now, what is the value of 18 square? It is 324. So now I am going to rearrange this quadratic equation. So here you see I am moving this term, these two terms to the left hand side because here we have a minus x square. I want to make this as a plus. So here it is x square plus 48x minus 324 equal to 0. So since the values appear to be quite bigger, okay, I am not going to factorize. I am going to directly use this formula. So again, it's up to you. You can use any method to solve. Actually, you see, I had tried, but it is much more time consuming. So I shifted to formula. So here the value of A is 1, B is 48 and C is minus 324. So the value of X is minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. So here just substitute the values of A, B and C. So when you substitute and you simplify, you see here we have 48 square is 2304 and 4 into 324 is 1296. So when you add and simplify, finally we have square root of 3600 which is nothing but 60. So now I am going to split these terms. So minus 48 plus 60 by 2 and minus 48 minus 60 by 2. So here we end up with 6 and minus 54 as answers. So here the value of x is 6 and minus 54. Now what is x? X is nothing but speed of the stream. So speed of the stream, it can't be negative. And finally the speed of the stream is given as 6 km per hour. So that's all. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.